It needs access to my contacts. Why? It's a dash cam. It needs access to make phone calls. Why? It's a dash cam. It needs access to my memory card and photos and files on my cell phone. Why? It's a dash cam. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out this dash cam. Another one. This is another dashboard camera that I like to do these reviews because I like to give honest and dependable reviews always. None of this bull crap of fake stuff. This is going to be 100% true. Now, we're going to do an unboxing of this, check out all the accessories that come with it, and then we're going to go check it out during the day. And then we're going to check it out during the nighttime and see how good this is. So let's do a quick unboxing of it now. Wow, okay. For the looks of it, this has some beef to it. It is nice, it's metal, it's impressive looking. It is actually really cool looking. It looks like a camera. It looks like something you would go like, take pictures. It looks nice. It doesn't appear to have any touchscreen. Everything is all done with buttons. And the information on the buttons themselves, there's nothing written on the hardware. I threw a 32 gig memory card in this. We're going to see how well it actually records and how well it does. There's no touchscreen at all, okay? All right, so let's go check out the rest of the hardware. It has a permanent installation. So this is how it would go. Your windshield is at, or they do include a suction cup. And this is what we're going to be using for the test. It comes with a USB. Technically, you can transfer files, but why stick with USB 2.0 when you can put a 32 gig memory card in the camera? It doesn't make any sense to me. And then it comes with this long cable, which is really nice. You could probably go anywhere with this bad boy. The onboard battery is worthless. My last camera had the same problem. If your cigarette has power all the time, then all those features will work. I'm not sure if that's something that you want to do. There is an application that this communicates with to your cell phone. I see absolutely zero need for that feature. There is no need for my cell phone to communicate with this device. It has a memory card, it records video to the memory card. I don't need to have access to my cell phone. Now, the reason why I say no is because it needs access to my contacts. Why? It's a dash cam. It needs access to make phone calls. Why? It's a dash cam. It needs access to my memory card and photos and files on my cell phone. Why? It's a dash cam. Stay clear of the app for your cell phone. There's absolutely zero need to have an application that goes from your cell phone to the dash cam. Dinging that 1 star. So I'm giving this a JoeteckTips 4-star rating because of the application that this comes with. It's a piece of crap. It should never be installed on your phone because there's no reason for it. That's another way to data mine your stuff. It's going to check out all your contacts, have access to all your contacts, no reason for it. It's a dash cam. Do I think that this is a good product? Yes. It records great video during the day. It records great video at night. Very impressed with the quality of the video capability. It does record audio really, really well as well. Like I said, I'm giving it a 4-star JoeteckTips 4-star rating, which is good. That's actually really good for me. If you think this video deserves a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. And if you think it sucked, give it a thumbs down. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.